Is this the Force? Are we in Star Wars? Hello everyone, my name is Paolo, this is Paolo Reacts, and today we're checking out the music video for Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish. If you have followed my channel, you know that I've made a reaction to the whole album, and you know that Birds of a Feather is one of my favorites from there. This song is literally unskippable for me. Every time it pops up in one of my playlists, I listen to it from start to finish. That's it. I'm really keen to see what the music video is about, and I thought we had a music video for this song already, but maybe
not.
This one will be a quick reaction. We know the song, we're here for the music video. Let's begin.
Hey, Billy.
Her eyes, that color blue. Oh, okay. Something's pulling us. Okay. Oh wow.
What's going on?
Is this the Force? Are we in Star Wars? She's been dragged. Whoa. Oh wow. Oh shit. I'm wondering what this invisible force means. Is it like there's always something that's pulling you away? Or is this the force that brings you to someone? But the way that it smashed her through the table and out of the chair, I think it has this negative connotation. I think I've said it in my reaction to Guess, the duet with Charlie XCX. I've always liked her style. She's not compromising, and I remember she did a cover for Vogue, I think, in this very daring outfit. And I remember reading somewhere that she really didn't feel comfortable. She's wearing what she wanna wear. And there's nothing wrong with that. You don't have to be a sexy chick to be in the music industry. Like, do whatever you want. Oh, here we go with the Force again. Oh, that's me being dragged out of the club. Every night I'm drunk. Not that I'm drunk every night, but every night that I'm drunk. Oh wow, that was a nice shot. In reverse. getting back into place. Oh, there's more? Probably some credits.
Or nothing.
Very interesting video, not at all what I thought it was going to be. I really feel this invisible power that's pulling you. It's kind of like being pulled away, pulled apart, if you want to. Probably, I don't know if it has something to do with the industry. She's not doing what it's expected of a main pop girl. She's not wearing those clothes. Her voice is not exactly what the pop vocalist is supposed to be. She has her style, musically and fashion-wise. And I think this thing that's kind of trying to drag you away, and in a way you cannot fight it. It's just something beyond your abilities. But you have to find your place, you have to find your strength. At least that's what I'm thinking about this video. It was very simple. It was beautiful. Don't get me wrong, but I really want to understand what the meaning behind this was. This invisible person or force or whatever. Please explain this to me, because I really think it's an interesting concept. I just want to know more. So guys, as I already said, this is going to be a short video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to my channel if you want to, go check my Instagram, and I'll see you soon. Bye.